trying.
Yeah, doing good.
What are you doing, Gwen?
Swimmer too.
We're taking pictures of Gwen. She might roll over today.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the food. 6:03.
Yeah.
10 minutes.
There's a small spare rib in there, Mark.
Jams, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. She's getting up there. Rocco, can you move?
Rocco, come here. Come here.
In the butt.
Seriously.
Ooh.
Oh, the other one's gonna go there now.
Come on.
Amy,
Lucy, get out of the way. The butt. Look at that butt. Look at that butt get up in the air.
Oh, you went back up now?
Get up there, Gwenny. Get up there. You need a rest? You want to flip on your back and give you a rest?